Let me tell the people a little something real quick. 1, 2, 3. I love that woman. She cannot shallow. She independent. Mercy.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another hotel room tour with Rochielin. Today I am gonna be touring the Ibero Star Grand hotel room. It's my first time here, never been here before, and so far, I mean, I really like what I see. I'm gonna show you guys around, and if you guys like what you see as well, I mean, be sure to book it whenever you're in Montego Bay, Jamaica. This is not a sponsored post. I'm not being paid for this. This is just me giving my thoughts after having stayed here. So yeah, let's now tour. So this is the door as you come in, and then this is what you see as you come in. And right here over on my left, which is camera right, is the bathroom area, which I must say it is quite nice. There's a sink to the back over there and another sink to the back over there. Over here is the toilet area, the door that can be opened and closed, and then there is the shower area here with another door that can be opened and closed, and of course there's a bathtub. One thing to note though, last night and ever since I've been here, in trying to shower, I wanted hot water and the water wasn't that hot. I mean, it's nothing really to complain about, but it was lukewarm the entire time, and I wanted it hotter, and it still haven't gotten hot yet. So I don't know if I'm missing a setting or something. But anyway, let's continue. To the side over here, opposite the bathroom, is the little, what do you call it? This is a little snack area. It's an all-inclusive hotel, by the way, so everything here is included in the price that you'd pay when you book the hotel room. So they give you snacks, and I got Pringles. I had a chocolate biscuit initially, but I had it, and got 2 chocolate bars. Got the coffee maker and cups, and here is a little mini fridge and a little glass area that you can use. And the fridge is fully stocked with liquor, beer, water, juices, and at no additional cost. So that's good. I love that. Moving on, we have like the closet area here that I have not used, and the what do you call it, the iron board, and iron was in there. And as we walk a little bit further, we enter the bedroom. And this bedroom, I have 2 beds actually, though I only slept on one. But 2 beds, TV to the back. The beds, I must say, the beds are quite comfy. You know, every hotel room beds are cold, but you eventually warm up to it. So that's the bedroom area right there. Very nice. Not very modern, but the furniture is nice if you're into traditional looking furniture. It is nice. The color scheme is very Caribbean, I must say. Not my favorite kind of color scheme. I like more modern, more, you know, I don't know what to call it, but this is more Caribbean vibe. And this is the little desk area. When I first came, I had a welcoming fruit plate waiting, sitting for me, and it was just so good. The fruits were very nice, actually, quite fresh, and that was something. I liked that. So another set, it's all inclusive, so many here to order room service, 24/7 room service. So that's good. Also, with this room comes a butler. Personal butler is assigned to every room in the Grand, and I got a butler. Isn't that cool? Over here is the little sitting area, and then over this side is the balcony. And let me tell you about views, honey. I got some beautiful views out here, so just nice and peaceful. I love it. Look, I have this little hammock that's just nice, and then a little sitting area here. I mean, out here could have been decorated a little nicer, I think, but the hammock took the cake. If nothing else, the hammock does it. And then of course, this is the view. Just look at the top view. It is so great. I I absolutely love it. It is nice. Ibero Star Hotel, there are 3 different sides. There's Beaches, Suite and Grand. I'm at the Grand, which is the most expensive side and the better. I have stayed at the beaches before. Not my cup of tea. I haven't stayed at the suites, but I've been on the suites. It's not bad, but it's still nothing like the Grand. The Grand is good, so you guys, you decide if you like it or not. This is just from my experience, and I hope my experience was able to help you to make your decision whenever you're going to be in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Anyways guys, thank you for sticking around, thank you for watching, thank you for coming on this journey with me, and always coming on the journey with me. I appreciate all of you. Anyways, next week same time, new video. Bye.